Student, today we'll try to solve some questions of exercise 3.3. Okay, so let us take first question. See, 2 sine square pi by 6 plus cosec square 7 pi by 6 into cos square pi by 3 equal 3 by 2. You have to prove it. Okay, prove that. So let us take the left hand side. So 2 sine square pi by 6 plus cosec square 7 pi by 6 into cos square pi by 3 equal 2. Sine square pi by 6 can be written as sine pi by 6 whole square, okay, plus cosec 7 pi by 6 can be written as cosec 7 pi by 6 whole square. Similarly, cos pi by 3 whole square equal 2. What is the value of sine pi by 6? 30 degree. Sine of 30 degree. Okay, what is sine 30 degree? 1 by 2. So 1 by 2 whole square plus cosec. So 7 pi by 6 can be written as pi by 6 pi plus pi by 6. Okay, this is whole square. And what is cos pi by 3? Cos of 60 degree. Cos of 60 degree is equals to half. So half square equal 2 into 1 by 4 plus cosec pi plus pi by 6. Now you see pi means 180 degree. So 180 degree lies in second quadrant plus pi by 6. So it will go to the third quadrant. In the third quadrant cosec is negative, so minus. So next you have to see positive or negative. So you have to see not positive or negative, you have to see odd or even. So pi can be written as 2 into 90. Okay, so 2 is an even number. So even number means cosec remains cosec. So it will be cosec pi by 6 and this is whole square into 1 by 4 equal 2, not 2, it will be 1 by 2 plus what is cosec pi by 6? Cosec 30 degree. So it will be 2 minus 2 square into 1 by 4 equal half plus 4 into 1 by 4 equal half plus 1 equal 3 by 2 equal right hand side. So this was the proof. Next, number 2, 10 15 degree. How can you solve this? See, 10 15 degree can be written as 10 of 45 degree minus 30 degree. Okay, write this value only from 0 degree to 0, 30, 45, 60 and 90 because you know this value. Okay, using this value the answer will be you can solve it easier. Okay, so 45 degree 15 degree can be written as 45 degree minus 30 degree. So what is 10 a minus b? Formula 10 a minus b is equals to 10 a minus 10 b 1 plus 10 a 10 b. So a is 45, b is 30. So I will get 10 45 degree minus 10 30 degree divided by 1 plus 10 45 degree 10 30 degree. So 10 45 means 1 minus 10 30 means 1 by root 3. 1 plus 10 45 means 1 into 10 30 degree means again 1 by root 3. So taking LCM you will get root 3 minus 1 divided by root 3 divided by again root 3 plus 1 for this one divided by root 3. These two will cancel and you will get root 3 minus 1 divided by root 3 plus 1. Okay, this is the value of 10, 15 degree. Next we'll try another question. Cos pi plus x cos of minus x divided by sin pi minus x into cos pi by 2 plus x equal cot square x. So you have to prove this. Okay, solution. Left hand side, cos pi plus x into cos of minus x divided by sin pi minus x into cos pi by 2 plus x. Now see, pi plus x means what is pi? 180. So cos of 180 degree plus theta. So what is cos of 180 degree plus theta? Equal minus cos theta. It is the formula. Similarly, cos of minus theta equal minus not minus cos theta. Okay. Similarly, sin 180 degree, pi means 180 minus theta or x. Sin 180 degree minus theta is equals to sin theta. Cos 90 degree, pi by 2 means 90 degree plus theta is equals to minus sin theta. So putting these values you will get, see, sin 180 degree plus theta is equals to minus cos theta. So minus cos x, not minus, okay, minus cos of minus theta equal cos theta. Sin of 180 degree minus theta is equals to sin theta. So sin of x into cos of 90 degree plus theta is equals to minus sin theta, minus sin x. So you are getting minus cos square x divided by minus sin square x equal cos by sin means cot. So cot square x equal right hand side. Okay, this was the proof. Similarly, we'll take another question. Cos 3 pi by 4 plus x minus cos 3 pi by 4 minus x. Okay, you have to solve this. Equal minus root 2 sin x. You have to solve this. Okay, so solution. Left hand side I will take cos 3 pi by 4 plus x minus cos 3 pi by 4 minus x. Okay, now see, if I take this term as a, okay, suppose I am taking this as a and this as b, so what I will get? Cos a minus cos b. So what is the formula for cos a minus cos b? You will get cos a minus cos b equal minus 2 sin a plus b by 2 and again sin into a minus b divided by 2. So minus 2 sin a, this whole term is a plus b means 3 pi by 4 plus x plus 3 pi by 4 minus x divided by 2 into sin a plus b divided by 2 a minus b. So 3 pi by 4 plus x minus 3 pi by 4 minus x divided by 2 equal minus 2 sin. Now see, x will get cancelled. This is positive, this is negative. So 3 pi by 4 plus 3 pi by 4. So you will get 2 into 3 pi by 4. 2 into 3 pi by 4 divided by 2 into sin 3 pi by 4 will get cancelled. X minus minus of x. So 2x divided by 2. Okay, equal minus 2 sin So see, these 2 and these 2 will get cancelled. So you are getting 3 pi by 4 into sine 2 will cancel. So you are getting x equal minus 2 sine. See, 3 pi by 4 can be written as pi minus pi by 4. After taking LCM, you will get 4 pi minus pi. So 3 pi divided by 4 into sine A. So sine of 180 degree minus theta equal sine theta. So 2 sine pi by 4 into sine x. Since sine 180 degree minus theta equal sine theta equal sine theta. This is equal, okay? Equal minus 2 sine 45 degree means 1 by root 2 into sine x. So you see root 2 into root 2 equal 2. So 2 can be written as root 2 into 2. So this 2 can be written as root 2 into 2 or root 2 whole square. So 1 root 2 will get cancelled. So you will get minus root 2 sine x equal right hand side. This was the proof. Okay, you will get minus root 2 sine x equal right hand side. Okay, with this we conclude for today.